Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news, gist happening around. For first time viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notification when a story drops. Still on the Ultimate Love reality TV show, Ultimate Love Couples one-on-one section with Aunty, week 3. Just a day after the week 2 nominations of couples for eviction, the couples had one-on-one section with Aunty. This is their first couple section with Aunty as she was trying to gauge their progress 2 weeks after being paired. There might be a thing or two that our love couples aren't comfortable with in their partners, but that's just a small hurdle they are willing to overcome as they journey towards writing their love stories. They voiced this as they complained how being in the love part was already a hurdle on its own because it's a space co-shared. However, more than anything, they are open to learn, grow, listen to one another, and allow love to bind their hearts. Here's a conversation of each couple with Aunty. Obiebi. According to Obiebi, isolating themselves from other love girls isn't intentional, but it's something that will make them stronger. They also acknowledge that Obichukwu is seen as controlling by other love girls, but in his defense, it's all about protecting everything. Because she opens herself up completely to others, they both agree that the past 2 weeks have been fulfilling and revealing at the same time. Going forward, they want to learn about each other and learn to tolerate the things they don't like. Jkesh are still trying to navigate the challenges of being held up in the love part. Trying to focus on getting to know each other. When asked what she likes about Nkechi, he replied, "She's a nice person, I take my time and monitor her movement and she's ticking all the boxes. I also love her intelligence." Bola. After ironing out a few issues, the couple is on a journey to discover themselves. Spending time alone in the love nest was a blessing as they now know the importance of communication. They consider one another before taking any decision in the love part and beyond. Roxy. The way he loves me is unique, Rosie told Aunty, before admitting that she almost lost her blessing because she was focused on the pain she experienced with David Wilson. However, after forgiveness and letting go, she found happiness and is giving love another try. Kachi reciprocated her words and added that she is an understanding woman. Micheri's love story doesn't get old and the couple looks happy in each other's presence. Laughter and jokes were the main components in their session with Aunty. However, they did mention that they are still trying to navigate their way, and whenever there's a disagreement, they try to understand where the other person comes from. Lastly, Double Chris. Though there hasn't been kisses and cuddles yet, Double Chris are certain of where they see themselves in the future. That's in the presence of each other. They told Aunty that their love connection still needs nurturing and they are rushing nowhere. After pointing out that they like what they like about each other, they sealed Aunty's section with a hug. So guys, please don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. And also, if you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my channel for more updates.